Welcome to the world famous Guaranty RV Supercenters right here in Junction City, Oregon. I'm Gary.Christiance. You know me as the van guy, and I found something special for us today. 2007 Roadtrek 190 Popular. Well taken care of, full body paint. But let's go inside and take a peek. So this other door opens up too for better entrance. We've got the couch that folds down into a twin bed, or you put the board in the middle and then it fills in and makes a queen bed. This way people can get up and down real easy to go to the restroom. Push a little button. So you can stop it part way if you want to sit back here and watch TV. So TV's right in here. It's got surround sound speakers. The control here is for the couch. And they put a little storage area here. Temperature controls are in the back, so if you're in bed you can turn the heat up, air conditioning up. You can just reach up and grab a hold of it. It's got a little light up above, two reading lights on both sides. We've got good storage underneath from the rear, which we'll take a look at outside. And there are vents here for the heat pump. So this heats and cools. So it's got vents down here as well for your comfort while you're in the back. Nice big storage compartment here. It goes clear in the back. Got another little storage area over here. This is your closet area. Got a few shelves. And then your entertainment center. On the older models, they had a little cabinet in here. Speaker control switches in here, whether it's the surround sound or the radio up front. All the remotes for working everything are all included. Oops, need to fix a latch. Full extension on your drawers. That's for a garbage can, and as you can see, nice shelf space. They worked around all the plumbing, which is not in the way. Granite countertop. Nice stainless steel sink, and it looks like this one got dropped. 2-burner stove. And also take note that there's stainless steel all the way around, and the way they did this is they took a router and routed little grooves like this to help dissipate the heat, so when you turn on the fan it'll really cool things down. Up top, nice storage for kitchen items, as well as right in here. Restroom. So this is a bifold open door. This panel right here unlocks and goes across for privacy. And then you have your shower, hot and cold water. And then this right here is where you have a drain. This compartment here, it's got little compartments all over the place. This is your tabletop. It pulls out, there's no leg, it just flops up, and it rests right here on this bracket to help support it. If it gets too cold, you have a propane heater right here in case it gets too cold for the heat pump to keep you warmed up. Full length hanging closet in here, table leg, nice little storage, and then you've got a 110 outlet over here on this side. We can see it's got an aftermarket nav system, power windows, power mirrors, tilt cruise, and it looks like they upgraded the radio to a Kenwood. You have a little storage area up top, and then if you so desire,
is at 100%.
well, that's good to hear. It's working right now for us. You can open these up. Roadtrek always has 3 windows up on top. And of course on the Chevys they have real glass, and on the Mercedes products now it's just painted. Leather. This one you can get it.
Is at 80%.
Perfect. So this one you can turn around and make this into a bed for a third person, and you have seat belts in the back.
Brightness is at 30%.
Brightness is at 30%, in case you wanted to know on the TomTom. Control panel's right up here. If you want to just take a real quick shot in here. It's got a panel here. Tells all about all your 12-volt fuses and circuit breakers. Battery disconnect switch is here. Turned it off, all the lights go away. Generator's got 64 hours, direct spark ignition on the hot water heater. Let me pop outside. I always go out backwards. That way I won't hit my head, I won't slip and fall. It's got a box awning. Now that will come out a few inches, or it can come out as much as 8 feet. And it's got little keepers right here that the lights go into, so it'll help steady your awning on a day that might be a little windy. Battery controls, battery department's down here. It's on a slide out tray. Full-size spare tire. And then right here is where you would fill your propane. Yellow is to fill, and there's your on and off, and it's even got a little sight gauge there. This is the storage in the back. As you can see, it's got shoulder restraints as well as a center lap belt, so you can carry up to 6 people in here. And they left their tire chains, so that would go along with the vehicle as well. It's got a zip-in screen if you wanted to do that. You could that. Most people just use the side windows. It's much more efficient with a fantastic fan. Backup camera's right up here. Good view. Trailer hitch. This is a 6-liter engine. Should be able to tow over 7,000 pounds easily. The vehicle is 20 feet long. This is your generator exhaust. It uses regular gasoline there. Hot water. This is access for the refrigerator and a vent. Oh, that's locked up. That's a storage compartment. Also has your power cord. That one over here is for your outdoor shower. This one's for your dump tanks. Furnace intake and exhaust. And this has a macerator system. So you would pull the hose that's already attached out, stick it down the hole, turn it in line, go to pull your gray or your black tank first, come over here and push the button, and then within 90 seconds that tank's emptied. Close it, open up the gray water, and push the button again. I know you have some questions. Why not just call for the van guy? You can reach me direct at 541-554-9581. I appreciate your interest. My email's at the bottom of the screen. This one won't last long. It's a nice, clean unit. Thank you.